Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. So, cikgu nak share cara menjawab soalan Generating Excellence daripada buku teks. Okay, untuk first ya, expand each of the following expressions. Expand maksudnya kembangkan. Okay, expand the bracket. 1 multiply 6a over 2 multiply 12b. Okay, 2 and 6. Simplify 1, 3. So we get 3a. 2 and 12, 6 plus 6b. Okay. Okay, here 2 bracket. So kita buat darab 2, 5. Okay, n square plus minus 5n plus 2n minus 10. So n square minus 3n minus 10. Okay, see, because of square, so we write as a plus b and again a plus 2b. Okay, so expand or to open the, we write as a times a square, a times 2b, 2ab, 2b times a, 2ab, 2b times 2b, 4b square. Okay, find the like terms. A square plus 4ab plus 4b square. Okay, for question D, same with question C. Okay, 4x minus y and again 4 minus y. Okay, now open the bracket. So multiply 4x and 4x, 16x square. 4x multiply negative y, negative 4y. Negative y multiply 4x, negative 4xy. Negative y multiply negative y, positive y square. So we got here 16x square minus 8xy plus y square. Okay, question E. Okay, we use equal step, yeah? 2v multiply 3v, 6v square. 2v multiply 2 over 3w. So, plus 4v over 3w. Minus 1 multiply 3v, 3v over 3w. Minus negative positive. 2 multiply 1, 2 over 3 multiply 3, 9w square. Okay, here is like term 6v square, 4 minus 3v, 4v minus 3v. 3w minus 2 over 9w. Okay, question H, F. H minus k square means minus. Okay, yang ni kita boleh open bracket. 4 multiply 2, 8hk plus 12h square. So, kat lagi h square minus hk minus hk plus k square minus 8hk plus 12h square. Okay, find the like term. Square ada. So, dia jadi 30h square. Okay, negative hk minus hk, negative 2hk. Minus 8hk. So, minus plus k square. So, that's the answer. And now, we goes to number 2. Factorize the following expressions. 12m minus 18m squared. Okay, factorize. So remember, we have 4 types of factorize. For question A, we use the first factorize. Find the find the highest common factor. 12 and 18 is 6. And then m. Multiply 6m is 12m. And then 3m multiply 6m is 18m squared. B. Y squared minus 18, 1, use the factor 2. That is difference of square. So y squared minus 9 squared. Okay, and then see y 9. So we got here 9 and another one, y minus. Okay, question C. 4ab minus 8a square b. So the factor number 1. Okay, find the highest common factor. 4 and 8 is 4. A ada, B ada. So 4ab multiply. So yang ni 4ab multiply 2a. So that's okay. X square minus 16y square. This is factor 2. Okay. X square x 16y 4y. Okay. Open to bracket. X plus 4y and another one x minus 4y. Okay, E. S minus 3 square. Okay, now open another one. S minus 3 and then minus 1. So, multiply. X. Okay, so multiply. S square. And then S multiply negative 3. Negative 3S. Positive 3 multiply 3 is 9 minus 1. Okay, S square minus 6S plus 8. That's the answer. Okay, X. Okay, 3 terms. So, use factor number 3 level 1. Kan? Okay, kita buat kat tepi lah. Sebab kita nak buat multiply kan. Multiply plus. Okay, X multiply X square. And then 3. 3 multiply 1 is 3. 1x, 3x plus 4x. So, first, x plus 3. Second, x plus 1. Okay. Goes to question G. X square. Okay, ini pun 3 terms. So, use factor 3 level 1. Multiply plus. X multiply x square. 15. 15. Cikgu ambil 3 multiply 5. Sebab 5, beza 5 dengan 3 pun 2 kan. So, kita nak dia jadi negatif 5 lah. 15. Sebab negatif 5x. Yang ni 3x minus 5x is negative 2x. Tak boleh. So, 3 negatif, 15 positif. Negative 3x plus 5x is positive 2x. Okay, dapat? So, first, x minus 3. Second, x plus 5. That's the answer. Okay, B. Sama juga, factor 3 level 1. Okay, find the factorize. X multiply X is X square multiply plus. Okay, 8. Kita nak jadi 6 kan? 2 multiply 4 is positive 8. So here 4x, 2x, 6x. So kita jawapan dia x plus 2. Another one. X plus 2 yang ni. X plus 4. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, here 4 terms. So use factorize number. Okay, find the common factor. Okay, open the bracket. 6CD minus 2CE. Another one. Negative 3. Tutup. Negative 3BD minus BE. Negative, positive, negative. Negative, negative, positive. Okay. So, kita factor yang pertama. 6, 3, 2 and is 2 and then C. So, in bracket 3D minus E. Okay, yang kedua ni pastikan kita buat 3D minus E. Jadi tak? Bila ambil 3D yang tinggal negatif B. Sekarang negatif B, negatif 3BD. Negatif, negatif. Okay, betul? Negatif, negatif, positif. BE. Okay, again, factorize. Minus E in bracket. Okay. Simplify each of the